Hello guys, this is Kevin Auto Insider here. So what I'm holding here, this is what we call the angle sensor. Okay, this is what we call the angle sensor. So most of the time when it's faulty, it will be giving you a code of C0440, that the steering angle sensor circuit malfunction, or also C0043 steering angle sensor root circuit. Okay, and also C00, that's the steering position sensor SPS fault. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we repair this particular code. Okay, so as the steering rotates, that's the shaft that it rotates with. Okay, remember the steering of sensors plays a very major role. Okay, so you need to dismantle the whole thing and be very careful when you're doing this so that you don't end up messing. Okay, remember this, you have to remove the steering. You need to remove the spiral that's also attached to this part. Okay, so this what rotates and give the data to the ECU. Okay, so after programming and calibration of this, we will be then fixing it back to the car, and we need to just to initialize. Okay, then after that, the code for steering angle sensor circuit have been fixed. Okay, remember to subscribe and share. Kevin Auto Insider here. Thank you.